Moving the file or the payload file that you've created on Armitage to the target machine is not easy actually. And it happens through lots of channels of social engineering that we will learn later on in this course. But for the sake of giving you just a teaser, I will now create a payload and attach it to a JPEG file. We go directly to the Windows machine, and this is the virus payload that we created earlier, the exe file. I've downloaded a nice image from the internet, the smiley face, and I have converted it to an ICO or icon image on JPEG to ICO, which is a free website. So now we have 3 files. You have to install as well. You have to install WinRAR for this purpose. So just select these 2 files, the payload file and the JPEG file. Right click and select Add to Archive. We want to create an SFX archive. SFX is a self-extracting file. So once you double click on it, something will happen in the background. And what we will do now is that we will let the user double click on it and just see a JPEG file being displayed. But actually what's happening in the background is that the virus or the payload is being run as well. So select SFX archive, go to the advanced options, select SFX options, go to text and icon and just select this icon. Then go to the modes and in the silent mode, select hide all. So the user will not see what's happening in the background. Then go to the setup and select the program that will be run after the user double click on the file. So we will run this JPEG file and we will also run this virus 101.exe. Now we're ready. So we have this test Trojan here. You can rename it to whatever. I'll rename it to screensaver. And here you go. You have this nice little file which is screensaver.exe. You can send it to any user. Just for the sake of this demo, I'll create a new file here and move it. Okay, if you go back again to Kali, you'll see that there is no session happening here or no connection for compromised target. So from the Windows machine, you just double click on the screensaver and here you go, a very nice JPEG image will display. If you go again to the Kali machine, you'll see that session has been created for this target machine and this has been compromised. Again, you have a Meterpreter session here that you can use to interact remotely with this compromised target. And here you go. This is a screenshot for the compromised target. So, happy hunting.